This single silicon wafer will become hundreds of microscopic electronic devices. But before those chips can exist, the factory must build their microscopic structures layer by layer.
A microchip may fit on a fingertip, but its manufacturing process spans an entire factory. The process begins with extremely pure silicon.
The crystal is sliced into circular wafers.
Each wafer is shaped to consistent thickness.
The wafer edge is carefully controlled. The surface is polished mirror smooth. The surface is polished mirror smooth. Microscopic contamination is removed. Fabrication happens inside a highly controlled cleanroom.
The suit mainly protects the wafer from people.
The wafer begins receiving thin material layers. Each layer changes what the circuit can do. The surface is ready for patterning. A light-sensitive material is applied. Rapid rotation creates a uniform film. The resist is stabilized. The microscopic pattern is aligned. Light transfers the design.
The wafer moves toward material removal.
Exposed material is removed. The microscopic pattern is aligned. Selected regions are modified electrically.
Controlled heat activates those changes.
Another material layer is added. A new patterning cycle begins. The next layer is aligned. Another microscopic pattern is transferred. New regions are opened.
Another structure is formed.
These cycles repeat many times. The surface is polished flat again. Conductive material is added. Microscopic wiring is created. Tiny devices become electrically connected. A protective top layer is added. The completed surface is examined.
Tiny probes contact the dies. Electrical performance is checked.
Only passing dies continue.
The wafer is fixed to protective tape.
A precision blade cuts between dies.
A second set of cuts completes the grid.
Hundreds of individual dies remain on tape. Known good dies are lifted.
Each die enters a protective package. Fine connections link die to package. The packaged chip is protected and tested.
One wafer has become hundreds of electronic devices.